So, dear Steph, I want to give you an update on our middle school printer, Xerox. So, as of today, it has been replaced with a new model. So, advantages, it is better and faster. And then disadvantages, it's only black and white. So, there will be no more color printing. So I want to just show you how to add the printer. It is for a couple of weeks, for 2 or 3 weeks, there will be no pin entries. You're not going to be required to enter pin for next few weeks, and then later on, I'll assign the same pins you had before, the printer passcodes. So what we're gonna do now is what you want to do this is for Macs on PCs pretty much like Windows computers it pretty much works the same way. So what you want to do is you want to go on settings here. All right, on settings, the good thing about this printer is the driver is computer picks up the driver automatically, so you don't really have to look for driver. So what you want to do is you're gonna click on Add Printer, and under Add Printer you will go with the option IP. For option IP, here you're gonna type the IP address. It's the same IP address, so it's 192.168.2.107. All right, and I suggest changing the name to something that you're gonna remember. We can say middle school uh, teachers lunch. uh, Xerox maybe, so you know which printer it is. Okay, and as you can see here, use Xerox Prime Link B9100. That's the model. It picks it up automatically. So you're gonna click on Add. In case if it doesn't show up, you can go with Auto Select. I'm pretty sure it's gonna find it, but since it's giving the option, I'm not gonna go with find. Oh, you see, it found it. So I'm gonna go with Xerox Prime Link B9100. It comes up automatically. If not, just use auto select. And then you're gonna click on add. It's gonna configure the printer. As you can see, it is idle. Green means it works. As of now, there's no authentication. So really, you can just go ahead and print for now. Let's say I'm gonna go with docs.new. It's just a blank page on Google Docs, docs.new, and then I'll print a test page. So Control P, or you can do file, or actually you can click on print here, and then on here you have to select new more. You see it says MS Teachers Launch Xerox printer. As you do, you don't have to do any of this for now. The authentication settings for now. Just click on print and it's gonna print. And as you can see, it is printing right now. Thanks so much. I'll give you updates when we set up the authentication passcodes. Have a good day.